Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode of the Explain series. Today we're going to be talking about disseminated gonorrhea infection. So once you've caught gonorrhea, it can stay obviously around the genitals, but to about 1% of cases it can leak out and get into the bloodstream, and then it becomes disseminated gonorrhea and can affect all of the various organs. What happens when gonorrhea does get into your bloodstream? Well, you can get pustular lesions over the skin, and that can be everywhere, all over the body, torso, arms and legs. It can get into your joints, causing septic arthritis. It can get into the heart, causing endocarditis, and rarely can cause meningitis. Now, I said about 1% of cases, but hang on, in England alone we had just under 60,000 cases in the year 2020. Only 11 cases of disseminated gonorrhea were reported, and the year before that only about 1 or 2. So while the number of cases of disseminated gonorrhea is going up, it is usually not realised that that is the actual cause of the individual suffering from sepsis, and so disseminated gonorrhea is actually vastly underreported. So in the UK or in England we should be seeing around about 600 to 1,000 cases a year, but we only see around about 11. So it is a very, very rare infection, but if you are a doctor and you've got someone who is sexually active, don't rule out disseminated gonorrhea because it is grossly underreported because it's never seen, and someone comes in with sepsis, they're just given some standard antibiotics and then they get better. The treatment for disseminated gonorrhea is ceftriaxone, 1 gram for 7 days, which can be switched down to oral, but the most important thing is prevention. And so if you are sexually active, remember to get that sexual health screen if you're embarking on a new relationship, or if you're having lots of partners, to get regularly checked out every 3 to 6 months, depending on how active you are. So that's disseminated gonorrhea, and yeah, look after yourself, get tested. See you in the next episode. Take care.